fly.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, go out. Go this way. Go this way. Yeah, we won't be able to get our wagon from there. Park it right here. Okay? Catch some fish. Alright. Take the bucket over here, and I think this is where we're all at right here. Should be able to catch them right here. Okay, that's good. Oh, another one. Oh, that's a big one. You got the swinging to you. Okay. Oh, careful, careful. Careful switching the fish like that. You gotta make sure you hold them tight.
Okay.
Well, you got him pretty good right there. He can get in the way. Yeah, hold tight. Hold tight. Now give it to me. Give it to me, I'll do it.
Okay.
You're not strong enough to push the hook through.
Yay, keep
Careful,
it.
careful, huh? Don't let him move. He'll get you. Yeah. Little bit. Don't go too far. Try to go. Okay, that'll work right there. That's perfect. That's perfect. A little bit slower. Okay, just like that. Oh, you took it. Oh, it almost pulled you in the water that time.
Yeah. I was trying to trick me.
So you gotta take some slack in your lines. Easier if you leave a little bit of line. Okay, that's a small one. Throw them back. Okay. Got one? Ooh, you see him hit? You feel that one? He hit pretty hard. Yep.
I finally got you.
Okay, bring him in.
What?
Bring him in. When you make it too high, you can't get him. Yeah. There you go.
Ah! It touched my clothes.
Yeah. Hold tight.
Okay. Oh, this might be a bit much
Okay.
better.
Put him in the bucket.
Yay! You're coming with me.
Okay, that's good.
It's
Let
like those trees are the bullies, right?
Yep.
And you're just playing the football by yourself.
Okay, you got one already. You got one.
Yo, this is a humongous. He's a very chunky guy. This is a humongous. This guy. This is a chunky. This is the chunky man right here.
Okay, that's good. Well, you gotta swing it over to you so you can grab. So you can grab the line. Yeah, swing it. Swing it over. Ah, there you go.
I almost got it. Mama.
Okay, take it off. That's a nice one.
Yeah, he is nice. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky.
You get it? That's in a hard spot right there. You're not gonna be able to get it out. Yeah. You won't be able to do it. You hold him tight.
Yay!
Okay, throw it in the bucket.
We're going home. You're going home with me. And you're going to meet your other friends. Goodbye. Little.
Okay, that's good. That's like perfect. Let it sink down. Okay, reel it in a little bit. You got him. You got him.
Oh!
Well, that's a big one.
This is like tug of war.
That's a big one. Real, real. There. Okay, that's good. Now pull him up.
He likes.
Swing him over. See, that's better. That's better right there. That's good.
Oh, I literally got him very close to the eye.
Okay, you gotta hold the
Wait,
hook.
I actually got him.
You
on
can hold the
eye.
hook so you can stop him from spinning. Okay.
Hi-ya.
Okay, let it sink. Okay, retrieve it.
Oh, it's spinning it out.
Oh, he took it. He came back and took it.
Why does fish always keep coming back and taking it?
Because you moved it a little bit.
Oh, snap.
Okay, that's good. You could leave it up. The line's long enough, you can still swing it over to you. Okay. I guess that one should be easier to take out.
Ah!
Okay.
Ah!
Make sure you hold it tight.
So he does not move.
Yep. If you move, you will hook yourself.
pit. Oh. I guess he likes being crowded, I guess. Ooh.
Okay, that's good.
Are you gonna post this in YouTube?
Mm-hmm.
Yay. Oh,
Oh, you got him. Oh, you got him. Ooh, that's a nice one.
it doesn't matter if I even kill you anymore, fish. I
Okay, that's good. Now pull him up. Oh, a little bit more. A little bit more, reel it in a little bit more. Okay, now pick him up. Now pick the whole pole up and then swing him to you. Pick it up, swing. Don't put it down. Pick it up, swing it to you. There you go.
like how the blue things appear on his face. Well, basically tail.
Push it down. Push it down hard. Okay, you got him. Okay.
You're coming with me, Mikey. Now I got.
Okay, hurry up. Come on.
Really want to be crowded.
Here, hurry up. Just leave it. Just leave it. I'll get it.
Okay.
I gotta bring it over here. I'm just gonna bring it over here so you don't have to keep running over here.
Okay.
Okay, let it sink all the way. There should be a fish right there. Okay, reel it in. Nope, no fish. Reel it in. I'm gonna put it right here so you don't have to walk very far. There you go. Okay. Here, I'll catch a whole bucket of fish for your mom. Okay, perfect.
What if I catch?
Yep,
What
that's
if
perfect.
I put two bait on the side?
Then you'll catch two fish.
What? Yes.
Then you'll catch two fish. You got off. You got off.
He got. I think his tooth fell out.
Yep.
Imagine I actually got a fish's tooth or a fish's bite.
Mm-hmm. Oh, you got him. You got him.
Why? Come here. Don't fish. Swim away. Ah!
Reel in a little bit more. Okay.
Much better. This should be easy. Oh.
Can't get it?
Nope.
Okay, hold him tight. Hold the fish tight.
It feels like I want to squeeze him
Okay.
so bad. Goodbye, little fish.
Okay, hurry up. Here, hurry up. You gotta catch a whole bucket, man. It's gonna take you a long time if you don't hurry. dude. Got you right in the eye.
Mm.
Come on. It's a nice brown, huh?
Yes.
Ah.
Can I stop recording now?
Yeah.